Okay, Akash, let's proceed ahead with your HR part for management trainee in HAL. And we start with your brief introduction.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. My name is Akash Das, and I am a resident of Kolkata in West Bengal. Uh, I'm currently working in a private sector company after graduating from Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, Shibpur in 2019. And I am a single son to my only mother, and my hobbies include playing table tennis and cycling.
Okay, so Akash, you are working presently, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Since how long you are working?
Sir, I am working from fall of 2019, like from October 2019 till now,
Hmm. It looks like 3-4 years of job experience, huh?
3 years.
Can you share with us your job experience now?
Yes. So when I was a fresh, I means that job I got from campus placement in 2019, and when I got into that job, I got my first taste of corporate exposure as to how to behave in a certain way, how to communicate in a certain way that is not
Mhm.
suitable for only corporate culture, not like student cultures. From student to corporate, it's a huge gap.
Mhm.
And one of the experience that I want to share is teamwork. I've
Mhm.
learned a lot of teamwork in corporate culture, corporate than in my current job than uh, any other organization that I mean any other student life or college I've been a part of. So teamwork is the most important experience that I want to share, and communication skills development are the two experiences that I want to share that I have got in while after joining corporate.
Okay, so Akash, this is all about soft skills which you have acquired, which are obviously relevant for job. What about the hard skills related to your own profession, your own field? What did you learn in that?
Sir, in my job is not related. The job that I'm currently working is not related to electric. It's related to software
Mhm.
engineering. So, but the thing is that I have always wanted to join a PSU. I mean, wanted to join a PSU, and because I didn't get an opportunities that time, I got a job from campus placement. Uh, I have been working and I have been studying electrical engineering. I have not, I have not even removed my thought of just stopping the electric engineering, reading electric engineering after getting the job. I've completely kept in touch with my subjects, and also I have been doing a lot of design. Like I have recently given papers. I have recently published international conference papers and a journal on electric bike design
Mhm.
of electric motor, so that
Mhm.
I have not completely so I'm in touch with the design
Mhm.
aspects.
Okay, so as electrical engineer, what profile you are looking for yourself in HAL?
So in HAL, there are two profiles: design training and management training. I opted for management training because it is a amalgamation of the skills that I have learned in the current my current corporate streak, as well as the electrical knowledge that I've gathered along the years in my college life, as well as now, as well as a little bit of publishing papers. So the thing that I will do the most in after getting this job is a shop floor, executing the shop floor personnel and procurement, which requires the knowledge of managing people, which I currently do in my organization, as well as the knowledge of electrical engineering materials that will be handled, which I have a knowledge of. I have good knowledge. So that will
Okay,
like. Mm.
so are you aware about HAL and what what products and what services we provide to our customers?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
HAL is number one defense and aeronautical company in India, currently in India. And the services that we provide, that HAL provide, is actually based on aircrafts, helicopters. Uh, now we have now HAL have also started using developing commercial aircrafts also. Also, we supply materials for spacecrafts to ISRO, and defense and materials for and some of the equipments required for defense to DRDO. The main thing that we currently focusing on, that HAL is currently focusing on, is indigenous production of LCA Tejas fighter aircraft 5th generation. So and indigenous nowadays, now for currently the main focus is now indigenous production of fighter aircrafts, also commercial aircrafts called Hindustan.
Hmm. Okay, so you since you are working for a couple of years now, Akash, may I ask you like what challenges did you face in your present job?
Yeah, so the most primary challenge that I have faced while starting out as a fresher is communication. I did
Hmm.
not have a good English speaking skills, and this job is required to speak with international clients. So English is
Hmm.
mandatory, and I did not have that kind of English exposure.
Hmm.
And after joining this job, I have trained on my English speaking, and I have got a lot better on that. The second challenge that I have faced is like teamwork, working in a team. Previously, what happens in college projects and in college, individuality was main. I mean, if I do good, then I get marks and all. But in what happens in a corporate or what happens in office is teamwork. Without and team has a lot of people with a lot of different mentalities. Gathering all the mentalities on a common platform to deliver a project, how to deliver a project that I have learned. That is a challenge that I faced. How to how to modify myself according to their mentalities and all other people's mentalities and all, and deliver a project that was. And the third challenge that I am now currently facing after I got promoted this year is managing people. I have no prior experience of managing people, and now I have I just saw how tricky it is to manage a lot of people coming from a lot of different backgrounds. So that challenge I am currently facing, I
So,
have not yet got cracked that solution. Yeah.
so which is easier to do your job yourself or to get the work done from others? Which one is easier?
To do my job myself is easier, much more easier actually.
So maybe you are not in position to get the work done from others because you are not capable to handle others.
No, sir, that I'm not capable. I'm not saying that not capable. I have currently I've delivered 2 3 projects for clients, managing a team of 3 members.
Hmm.
I'm just saying that uh, what is on you, what you can do on yours is much easier than that, easier than what you can get work from others people. Yes, I'm just saying that. Yes.
Okay, so Akash, could you find out how to get work done from others then? What can be the
Yeah.
best way?
Yeah. So first, how to get job done from others? The first thing is to give appreciation for whatever current work they are doing,
Hmm.
giving whatever kind work they're doing. Kindly give appreciation in every little bit of piece of work that they do. And the second thing that I want to achieve is I want to give for getting the work is uh, solving the doubts. Whatever the doubts the team members have regarding the project, I solve all of them and ask questions and ask them to tell them to ask questions. So that question and answer session is very good. It's a good team bonding uh,
Hmm.
for.
Akash, you know the vision and mission of HL.
Yes, I know. Yes, vision and mission.
Okay, so how can you synchronize the vision and mission of HAL for taking your career forward?
Yes. That's yes. A vision of HL is to be the number one aeronautical and defense company in the world, and
Mm.
and achieve that vision. What is most important thing is required is indigenous manufacturing, which would be requiring a lot of skilled professionals, both from management side and design side, in determining the quality of materials that we use for our production and our own manufactured products, so that we can export our products to different countries in order to get a lot amount of revenue. So that path is the way forward, because it's a government PSU, and a lot of projects would be there, international, national. So a lot of exposure to a lot of projects will give us a lot of understanding about how to manufacture our own things, our own aircrafts and all. And
Okay.
yes.
Okay, Akash, let me give you the feedback. Akash, let me tell you that your level is good. The way you are answering, that is also good. You ended your introduction at your working, and next they are going to take a question from your work profile. Maybe you can write your work profile very nicely. So why did you choose the IT job at the first place? How that is relevant for the jobs in HAL? Why you want to join HAL? How you will do differently in HAL? So if you're finding the challenge of handling manpower, how shall you do that in HAL? Because in HAL it is public sector, it can even be more challenging. So what are your strengths and weaknesses? And so far what you have learned and what you have contributed to that organization. So these are a couple of questions which will be asked to you. And I found that you have answered nicely. Whatever question were asked to you, you have answered nicely. Acquire more and more knowledge and just know that what kind of questions can be asked to you.